Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny.
Hello everybody! At the moment, we're visiting some of our children and giving them a wonderful craft box. Hey, let's have a look what's inside. Ooh, let's have a look. Wow! Okay, so we have some craft supplies here. You can see we have some white and pink pom-poms and some green and orange pom-poms here. Your pom-poms might be a different color. Over here we have some ribbon. Oh, this one has a lovely strawberry pattern. Wow! We have also a cup. You can use this to store your glue in. Some lovely stickers as well. Here we have some musical stickers. You can see a guitar and some boys and girls dancing too. In our last bag here we have lots of different things to decorate with. You can see some seashells and some flowers and some buttons too. And lastly we have some number flashcards. All the way up to number 20. There are a few things you can do with this box. So what you can do with your box is you can get your stickers and stick some of your stickers on the box, like so. And you can also get some of your other craft materials and stick them on too. What you will end up with once you use some color pencils and all sorts of interesting things is a box like this. Look at this one. Wow, it's the seaside, isn't it? See, we have stuck some stickers on this side, and we have a family on this side, and some more stickers over here. So one thing you can do with your box when it's finished is you can get your number flashcards and spread them all out. Spread them all over the place. And get your children to put them in the box in the right order. So let's say we go 1, 2, 3, go. We look for the number 1 flashcard, and we can slip it in the box here. And then number 1, what comes next? Number 2. Look for number 2. Here it is, number 2. Put the number 2 in the box. And then number 3. Oh, here's number 3. Number 4. Number 4 is here. Number 5 is over here. And slip that in the box. And so on until you reach number 20. We hope you enjoy the little token of our appreciation that we're going to send you. Please have some fun with your children, and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny.